Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have 2010 Nissan Maxima with no fog light, design. You know, the bumper doesn't have it, so we ordered this one. I just want to show you how it's come. Open this one, Mohammed. Yeah, regards. It's coming like this. I believe this is one of the brackets. Here also we have one. Okay. We have another one here. Nous avons here we have another one. And then to install it to the installation, maybe you have wiring. If you don't have any wire before, let me see. This one, amené ça avec le fil aussi, mais on n'a visualisé pas le fil.
Mais c'est comme ça. Et ça là, tu vas regarder ça.
Yeah, on va regarder. This is the connections. This is the connection. Ça c'est pour les connexions. This is the connection where it go inside. Here is the fuses and the relay. If you want to eliminate, if you want to put it, if you don't have, if the car doesn't come with it, you're going to connect this one here, connect it to the car, and it will work. But I believe our car has the wire, so we just have to install it. Okay, so here we have one. You can even put a cover, but in order you can install this, and then they're gonna come from the bottom. You set them up. Oh, good. We have the other side. So I believe we don't need this because this car doesn't. We don't need that one here. You know, it's comfortable with screws. One is for right side, one is for left side. This is the car before. And we're gonna put it in and then we see how it works. Please subscribe, share and like.